Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter thread. So simply open the Twitter app. Now what you need to do, just click on plus button. Here you can add a tweet, but finally you can see I am adding the tweet. So random. So Twitter has a limits character option. When you type over the limit, you will get the thread. So simply what you can do, you can see this circle is being filled. It means it's our character limits are being completed. So simply you can see finally our tweet characters are completed. So countdown is started. So here you can see now this is the thread. You cannot type over characters. So simply just what you need to do, how to do this, simply just remove this. And now here you can see the plus button here, so simply click here. So simply here you can add another tweet, and simply you can also give the numbers like number 1, and also you can number this like number 2. So in this way you can add multiple tweets and complete a tweet on your account. And now after this you can click on tweet all and your tweet will be sent.